Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love affordable, makeup, fashion, hair care, anything. So if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is the end all be all. It is the last, Project Pan update. I was not able to do Project Pan update because I was not using them. I was not using my Project Pan makeup. That's why I was like, there is no point in making this video. So that's why I skip the last update, and this is the November update, and December update you will get after December, of course. So you will get that in 2022. So yeah, this is the last Project Pan video of this year, which is crazy. Oh my god. Like, I have used up some of my makeup products, which I'm really happy. It's like really difficult if you have a very big collection to use up makeup. So yeah, so if you want to know this Project Pan update, yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so not a really exciting update is this palette. Trust me, I have not used this at all, and I was testing so many eyeshadow palettes, and I have not touched this. After Diwali, I have not used this. Oh my god. So yeah, after Diwali, I have not used this palette. I have created back to back Diwali and that the other family function look with this. After that, untouched. Although the look I have created on Diwali was my favorite look in a while. I loved it, but I was like glad that I was digging these berry tones as well. This is so pretty. But after that, and I have not used this, so I'm not going in particular order. Exciting update will be in middle or at the end. You have to watch the full video, okay? And I'm learning to apply lashes, and I don't know, I don't think so it's looking perfect. Okay, so leave it. So then we have another exciting update for me. You will be like, where is the progress? But it was practically the bronzer what was untouched, and I will try to show you. So you can see when I'm this is the dip on the powder side, and there is now a slight dip in, of course not that big, but of course a dip here, especially here. And this is perfect bronzer for me. I use it a lot, but it's a like slow process. Panning this would be a challenge. And a very boring update again is this blush palette. And yeah, I'm glad that this looks like I have touched this shade. Okay, this is the perfect mauve shade. I love the shade, but because if this would be a single, I would use it so much. But since it is in this palette, I love the shade, but since it's in this palette format, I'm not using it enough. And now another thing is the primer, like the Blue Heaven primer. I was using that a lot, and then it was like almost 30% gone. Then the winter came. So in winter I rolled that out, but since I didn't do the last month update from last month, I'm using this I'm using this a lot. So you can see this is a new in primer. This is the mask one, but I am using it continuously, and in winters I will use this. You can see the dip. So it's quite a dip here, so I am using it continuously. Today also I have used this. This is really good illuminating base for winters. So I'm rolling this in, and rolling out the Blue Heaven one. I didn't I have kept that in back of my drawer, so it's lying there for summers. Okay, so I use the Fit Me foundation. I have used that up, and then I roll this in. Honestly, you guys, this is a very bad foundation. This literally it was spilling here. I have tried it. I don't know if I will use this, and I will let you guys know. It's not something I'm gravitating towards, so I think it's a waste of money. My 100 rupees got wasted because it's spilling on my face, and I don't know how to use this one up. I'm really disappointed with this particular one. Powder, another powder I have is this Lakme powder. So you can see the dip. I don't have HD camera, so I hope you can see the dip. So yeah, there is a visible dip, and now it is not looking untouched, which was my intention. My makeup just looked like untouched, that is sitting in my collection collecting dust. Now this powder does not look, and there is a visible dip here, and I'm really happy. I just barely set my under eyes here. That's it. I don't set my face. That's why it is not getting that much attention and love, I know. Another thing which I want to roll out of my Project Pan is this blush. You can see it's a very warm shade, and it is not at all suiting me in this winter months. I want some depth, and mauve blushes I'm preferring, so I'm just moving this out, and I'm thinking about which blush to roll in this like 2022 project pan. I'm really happy. This does not look untouched now. There is a little bit of scratches and I'm happy. If it's not looking brand new, I'm happy. Okay, I know I cannot finish so many products, but if there is a dip, I'm happy. Again, a thing which I have to roll out of this for the next summer is this Rock the Coral. Of course, it's a coral lipstick. See, it's a coral lipstick. It's not a winter shade at all, so I have to roll out this again for this winter season. I will tell you what I am rolling it in, which is very exciting. A very, 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 very exciting update is this lipstick. This is the Lakme lipstick blush nude. You will be like, where is the lipstick? It's like almost blown. When I will turn around, a little bit of product is there. You can see I'm still able to take out. So I'm going to keep on using this as a blush. I love this as a blush, and that's why I am still keeping this. But practically it's like an empty. You can see there is not a lot, like a very less focus, so a very less products in this. So yeah, it's almost an empty, but yeah, we are just keeping this and into this project pan. Okay, next is this lip liner. So this is the lip liner Cotton Pick, and I use it a lot. Trust me, I use it a lot, but it's still, like you can see, I have not sharpened it that many times. I have sharpened it but like once, and I use it a lot. So yeah, I think this is like that Wet n Wild bronzer, not like much progress you can see in this one, but yeah, it's really close to my lip shade, and that's why I love it. But yeah, progress on this one is also very slow. Now we are moving on to some great progress. So this I don't know if I have shown you, this is the empty. So yeah, finally this concealer is gone, and this project pan, you can see there is a little bit, but I don't think so I can cover my under eyes, so I will keep it till that if I will be able to a little do a spot concealing. One time I think I can use this, but it's almost gone, and this was like a really success, like trying to pan this concealer for a very long time. So it's a really good thing. So yeah, now this BB cream, I don't think so. Gone, those days are gone when I was using Pond's. I don't want to apply this. I don't want to apply this on my face. And yeah, when I was like a college girl, like I didn't know about makeup, I was using this. I don't want to apply this. I'm thinking about just throwing this, because it's a very old product and this can cause me pimples and stuff. So I'm thinking about throwing this. I don't want to ruin my skin, and I have used this a lot back in those days for third year I guess. Yeah, third year. So gone those days when I was using Pond's, and yeah, it was fun, but yeah, those days are gone. So a very, 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 very happy update. I'm so happy, you guys. I hit pan on this. Oh my god, this is the first technical pan where you can see the pan, and this is a giant pan in my eyebrow kit. I was like, this is a never ending process. I use this regularly even when I'm not filming, I'm not applying makeup, a little bit of eyebrow filling I do, and oh my god, look at, it's a giant pan. Just today I have used this, and I was like, what is this tiny thing? And then I saw this big pan. I was so shook. I was not intentionally hitting it. I was just using it like this. I will use my brush like this. So I am assuming now there is this giant pan. This this is the shade which I use most. I fill a little bit of this. I fill my tail, then a mixture of this and more of this and less of brown. So that's why I think I hit pan. I'm so happy. So happy. This is the first technical pan where you can see the pan, okay, and my palette. So happy, and I was like, this will I will never be able to see pan on this. So now moving on to rolling out products. I'm so happy. So I'm rolling this to 2022. Okay, you will see some old and some new things which will be added into my 2022 makeup project pan. Oh my god, it's already 2022 in my mind. Okay, I'm excited. And yeah, okay, last I forgot this highlighter. Honestly, you guys, I didn't use it a ton. It's my favorite, but still, although I am really happy, before that it was brand new. Now you can see there is a dip, and I'm happy with this dip. And yeah, it's highlighter. You don't need that much. I don't apply that much highlighter. Yeah, and this maple mocha lipstick, and you can see I have used it but not that much, so there is no visible progress which I can show you. I almost forgot, but now you can see when I roll this down. Yeah, so I have used this, so that's that. I'm not marking anything of that sort, okay, so that's why I'm I will consider that accomplishment if this will have gone, okay. Know that, and slowly and steadily we will use that. And Now rolling 2022, we are rolling some projects for, of course, 2022, and December month. Okay, December month is going on, but this will be continuous to 2022. Okay, I'm continuing this project. So now, what are the things that I want to roll in 2020, December 2021, and for 2020, rest of the 2020? First of all, this is the Miss Clear blush, and I have a lot of blush, so if there will be visible, usage, so I will be happy. So for my this, as you can see, is a neutral pink, almost browny pinky shade. So this Miss Clear blush, my goal is to use it for 15 times. After 15 times, I have a lot of blushes, that's why I will roll this out after 15 usage. But as it is a neutral pink blush, I can use it with so many of my looks. That's why I'm rolling this in. Of course, now I'm going to roll a blush as well. I consider this more as a blush. Okay, this is a lip cream, and I have already taken out the stopper, and you can see there is not much of products. This is a very pretty pinky brown. So I'm rolling this. These two shades are really close. I will swatch this also, and this is the Miss Clear blush. Yeah, so you can see it's light and this is dark, but shade wise little close to each other. Okay, so that's why I'm rolling it in. And for concealer, I have so many concealer, but I'm using this Mars concealer. See, it's already, you can see the visible tip. It's a brand new concealer, but since I'm using it so much, I'm rolling this in. If I want to add, I can add 1 or 2 concealer also. Concealer I go through a lot quicker. For cream bronzer, I want to add this also. Oh my god, I use this every day, so I like, this is a Give Me product. I use it every day, so I'm rolling this in as well. I use it every day. It's always in my makeup stash. So yeah, I was like, let's just keep this. And yeah, we are continuously, we will use this Maple Mocha and this lipstick. These two only are the lipstick. I'm rolling it in. So this project was a so success. I have used up the Fit Me foundation, used up the Wet n Wild concealer, then used up a lipstick, and yeah, in just 3 months of Project Pan, and almost hit pan on this eyeshadow eyebrow kit. So I think this Project Pan is a really good success for me. I'm so happy that there is a visible difference in my collection. All of these products look that I'm using them, and why I'm looking here I'm thinking about what foundation I'm rolling it in. And yeah, for foundation, I think I will roll this foundation. I don't know if this will be a good choice for winter. This is a matte foundation, but it's a soft matte foundation. I'm still confused which foundation. I love my Miss Clear one, so I don't want to use that up. So maybe that's why I am rolling this in. Yeah, but I will not force myself. It is a brand new product. All my foundations are not that old, so I'm not worried. But I think I will roll this in for foundation. I want to roll 1 or 2 in every category, so when I'm doing full face, I have something from each and every category. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more such Project Pan contents. I do them regularly. So yeah, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.